Hey, in front of me is POCO M5 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin with accessing Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids and download this free app from Mad Scientist Developer, the free one. Now choose Open and click on the bottom left corner to mute the music. Then click on the bottom right one. Now you need to tap on Settings at the top and choose I accept in First Things First pop-up. From here you can adjust all available wallpaper settings however you want to. See a preview over here. And when you're ready, click on the top right corner. Now tap on the bottom one again and select Set as Live Wallpaper. Over here, click on Set Wallpaper, tap on one of those options, Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. Swipe up and choose Home button. As you can see after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!